Hey guys, it's Casey. So I was just making a quick video. It's like 4 a.m. I'm about to go skiing, and I wanted to tell a quick story about this one lady I read online a while ago who snorted a line of cocaine that she was offered at this concert. And because she's allergic to flour, she ended up having an allergic reaction to this cocaine, and she ended up having to go to the hospital. And it could have been pretty bad because at the time she didn't have any of whatever you call it, the stuff to make it so she doesn't have an allergic reaction. And instances like that are an example of something that just simply never has to happen in a legal environment. It never would happen in a legal environment, but it only happens because these drugs are prohibited. And because they are prohibited, they are not regulated. And because rogue chemists are manufacturing them as opposed to pharmaceutical companies, they're being made with a lot of impurities. They're extremely unsafe, and they're oftentimes laced with other substances or purposefully cut with other substances, such as flour. Now, with all of that said, that's what makes these illegal drugs so dangerous. Think about how much safer a lot of these opiates would be if they weren't illegal. Because they're not regulated, they often have fentanyl laced inside of them, and they're often very impure. And sometimes these impurities can actually be more dangerous than the drugs themselves, either because someone's allergic to them or because these impurities just are very bad for you to be consumed. And that's not to say that drugs aren't bad for you, but in general, by themselves, they can be pretty safe. And so when you add these impurities into the mix, they can make everything just amplified and far more dangerous than it really has to be. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. That was a pretty quick video, but illegal drugs, they suck. They're impure. They're not regulated. They're extremely unsafe. Would you rather have your drugs made by a pharmaceutical company with some chemists that have very high status credentials, went to college for like 4 years or something, and then all of that experience, or would you rather have it made by some rogue chemist that's been hired by the cartel to make methamphetamine at like the cheapest way possible, filled with impurities, super bad for you, and probably has something like iodine in it? But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you. Leave a comment if you have any questions or thoughts, and have a great rest of your day.